Claude Code isn't just for developers anymore. With Slack integration and custom output styles, anyone on your team can use it. Today we're covering how to bring Claude into Slack and adapt it for non-engineering workflows. Let's check it out. Slack integration is huge. Mention @Claude in any channel and it responds. Someone files a bug report. Claude can go from bug report to pull request without anyone opening a terminal. Delegate tasks right from chat. Ask Claude to investigate an issue, draft a fix, or review a change. Your team gets AI superpowers without leaving Slack. Output styles let you customize how Claude responds. By default, Claude outputs developer-friendly text, code blocks, diffs, terminal commands. But you can change that. Configure output styles to get markdown reports, structured data, formatted documents, or plain English summaries. Adapt Claude beyond software engineering. Here's where it gets exciting: non-developer use cases. Marketing teams can generate campaign content and A/B test copy. Data analysts can query databases and build visualizations. PMS can create sprint reports, roadmap summaries, and stakeholder updates. Claude becomes a tool for the whole company, not just the engineering team. Let's recap. Slack integration with @Claude mentions for any team member. Bug report to PR workflow without opening a terminal. Custom output styles for reports, documents, and summaries. Non-developer use cases across marketing, data, and PM. Claude Code is for everyone on your team. Subscribe for more from the AI Terminal.